Welcome back, guys. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you guys how to create Twitter quotes just like you want to see on social media, on your feeds and on Facebook, WhatsApp, and every other social media platforms. First of all, you need your Chrome browser. Open your Chrome browser. You type in canva.com. If you have the app, you can use the app, but you can also use the website canva.com. Once you type in canva.com, it loads up. Alright, guys, are you following, guys? After it loads up, this is the interface you get. Ensure the tab button on the top after the first preset your designs, your template. Ensure you click on your template. When you click on your template, you type in Twitter quote. Just type in Twitter quote. It displays different templates for you, something like what you're seeing on the screen right now. Then you pick your choice and select the one you prefer. Once you pick the one you prefer, allow it to load up the work area interface for you. Yes, something like this. Just pick the one you want and start editing all the way. For me, I pick this one. Yes, I'm allowing it to load up the work interface, the work area. Right now I'm editing. I enter my preferred name and the handle as it will appear on my Twitter account. I can decide to change the background. Usually Twitter is always on black background, right? So I leave it on white. Once I'm done editing, I can just click on save. But before then, we need to replace the image. Just click on the image icon. You search for replace on the work tool area below your screen. Right now I'm trying to upload my own image, my preferred image from my gallery. So it's loading up. I select that image. Immediately it appears on the image icon section on my edits, on my graphics, on my work area. I can decide to change the background color to whatever color I want, change the text color to whatever color I want. But I strongly advise you leave it on black background, white text, or white background, black text to make it look original, just like what you see on your Twitter wall or on your tweet, on your dashboard. You see by clicking the upload icon on the top of your screen, that is to save or send to your gallery. You can now decide to share on your social media accounts, Facebook, WhatsApp, Substack, Medium, or wherever you feel like sharing it. Which you can say I've uploaded it on my Facebook, share it to group, share it to my wall. It's loading up, and boom, guys, here it is. It's that simple. Thank you, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips. Right here, I'm trying to upload my picture, the preferred picture for the editing we are creating right now. Yes, it's that simple. Once you upload, you select the picture, change the background, edit the text, whatever we want, and boom, guys, our quote is ready for social media posts. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.